10 ways to be more mindful when eating. My name is John, I'm a coach. I help ladies over 100 kilos get under 100 kilos. If you enjoy my content, please give me a follow and message me saying 99 and I'll send you some free resources to help you with your goals. Number 1, eat slower. Number 2, don't have distractions while you eat. Number 3, have pauses while you're eating. Number 4 is having mindful bites. So what does it taste like? What's the texture of the food? How do you feel when you eat it? It's being really more mindful and having mindful bites. Drink water while you eat. So if you drink water while you eat, naturally you're going to feel fuller and then you're going to eat less. The next one is mindful pausing. So after a few bites, just pause. The next one is putting your knife and fork down between every bite. Yes, this will take a while, but you'll become more mindful within your eating. Next one is breathing, right? So what you want to do is before you eat, take some big breaths before, deep breaths. Then midway through, take some more deep breaths, and then at the end, take some more deep breaths. The next one is